welcome back. It's Major at TuneUps time. Again, this must be like the 10th, 11th video on these now. But yeah, they are awesome, and it's series 3, so some awesome new stuff. Now, as cool as these are, I really do hope that this is the last episode of these, because they're kind of breaking the bank account. I really, really want that rare Charger RT. Once we get that, I'll be a happy person. But these are blind boxes, so, you know, we could get anything. All 4 of these could be duplicates for all we know. That would be very, very upsetting. But anyway, I hope you're doing well. Let's crack on with the video and get stuck straight in. Yeah. What are we gonna get? Hopefully, not a duplicate. Right, let's get it in focus. Oh, I just opened one of these. I literally just opened like the last. Spoiler alert, I filmed these 2 videos one after the other, and I've literally just well, not spoilers because you would have seen that video before, but insight into my life, I've literally opened these 2 4-packs together, and that was the last car I got. But that one, can you tell I'm annoyed? Get away with you. If this is a Golf, I swear, because that's now the 3rd repeat, and yeah. Oh, what's this one going to be? Oh, bollocks, that's a Volvo. Wow, I must have got really lucky with Series 2. Because I didn't actually get many duplicates. I did get 3 of the same Jimny, admittedly. This could be a very quick video. Oh no. The worst part of this is these ain't cheap. Hang on, so that's probably like I'm gonna math it. So these are actually like a £5 each. So that's just 10 quid there. Wonderful, love it. They've actually gone up though. I've noticed on Amazon they've gone up though. They're now 30 quid for a pack of 4. Whew. So hopefully I don't need to buy any more. We haven't got one of these, but we have seen the Renault Clio before. Is it a Clio? It's a Megane RS. Duh. I should have known that really. What is this? This is a cool one. Have all of these been cool? These have all been cool, I'm pretty sure. Whoops. Cool. Cool. Wow, this is a bit of a lousy pack, this one. Anyway, let's just throw them off to the side because I do not care. And I think this was the mods for this one. Aha! It was indeed. So I think, well, a wheel was rolling away. That's really not good. Yeah, I think is this the same body kit as what we've had before? I'm not sure. I think it might be. We've just had it in black. Well, it does look a bit different. Cool. Once I get it to click on. That's not very good there, lads. That's a bit weak on this one. Got to say, all the rest of the mods have been absolutely brilliant. This one doesn't quite click on the base very well, and it kind of shows. Well, we'll put the wheels on. Actually, what we'll do, we'll look at the car first, because we didn't do that. So here, well, there's the token, so you can see the stats and all that. This one's the Rallycross, apparently. So this is actually a different one. I don't think we had a rally version before. We had a racing version. So it's pretty cool. As always, all the lights and all the badging and all the lights, very, very good. Got some very nice detail on the side though. 4RS Renault logo and some cool splashing marks up the side. Black roof with the Renault badge. Front lights are lensed and all that. Yeah, very nice. Gold wheels as well. And it has a opening feature, so you can see into the boot. Very cool. Quite nice actually. That opened very nicely. So now let's put on the mods. Yeah, still a little bit loose, but there we are. What can we do? Nothing really. Let's put the wheels on. These are always a little bit of a faff. God, the body kit just wants to come off. No. Please work. It's not gone very well, this video, has it? And there we are. Now we have an awesome-ish body kit. It doesn't want to stay on. I don't know if it's because the body kit's deformed or whether it's just not very good on this car, but it doesn't really want to stay on. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Got your wide, well, very wide body kit. Look at that. Big rally spoiler on the back there. Does look pretty cool. Very sort of rally inspired. Just wish it'd sit on there a bit better. It keeps kind of popping off in places. I think these sides, maybe if they were bent in a bit, it might spring into place a little bit better. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And there, the stickers, which we keep seeing. Oh dear. Well, we're already on to the last one. Oh man. No, we've not had any of the super rares yet, so he's hoping. I'm really hoping it's the one I want. I think if it is, I can call it a day with these. I don't want to buy more, especially now they've gone up in price. Ah, it is a super rare, but alas, it is not the one I wanted. And this comes the biggest downside to these. I just got a super rare that's very nice looking, but I'm not impressed because I wanted the other one. I wanted that one, but Mum, I want that one. For Ford, Nissan Skyline GTR 35, you dozy tit. Yeah, this actually, I said in the last video, I think the purple version looked better. Nah, I think it's pretty close. This looks very nice. With that, it's a very nice green, I've got to say. Got a cool looking decal on the side. Oh, is that actually meant to be a Godzilla decal? I think that's meant to be a Godzilla decal, that is very cool. Got the Bilstein, the Castrol details on there. Opening doors as well. Ooh. Blue interior. Oh, that is really cool. Now that decal is awesome. This colour scheme. Lens front headlights as well. All the badges and rear light details as well. That is really nice. Let's have a quick look at the base. Yeah, no, I've got to say that's cool. That's a very nice, nice one. That. There's also a very green theme today. Right. Let's get the mods. Oh yes, the rares have the see-through stuff. That's really cool. And more wheels. So it's the same body kit as the last GTR. There's the confusing glow-in-the-dark looking stickers that aren't actually glow-in-the-dark. So let's quickly modify this up. Would help if I put that on the right way around, wouldn't it? Yeah, the wheels, oh no, they sort of move. Well, there it is, modded up with the awesome looking body kit. I've got to say, the see-through stuff does look pretty damn cool. That is really, really nice. Wide old wheels and all that. I've got to say, I do think these actually look slightly better without the body kit. But, you know, it is still pretty awesome indeed. Yeah, no, that is actually really nice, to be fair. I didn't realise it had the Godzilla design on it. That's made it 10 times cooler. Yeah, so now we have the difficult question of, do I buy or try and get that one rare? That one super rare, should I say? Dilemma. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to leave it for a little bit and have a think on it. I must say, when I did the calculation how much I'd already spent, I kind of, yeah, it kind of threw me off a bit. But there we are. Better make some sort of arrangement as well so we can get a good old thumbnail. Let me know down below what you think of the thumbnails too. I've been spending a lot more time and effort on them. I'm trying to make things more clickable. In fact, I'm trying to just grow the channel, really. I don't even think we looked at it. That is the token. The green beast. Yeah, that is very true. Well, there we are, guys. There we have it for another majorette TuneUps video. Gotta say, lots of ups and downs. It's a shame that we ended up getting 2 duplicates. today, as well as getting one yesterday. And actually, we got one previously before that as well, so we did not very well for the duplicates this time. It just goes to show how lucky I got on Series 2, doesn't it? But yeah, I've got to say, the Clio is pretty cool. The Clio, Megane, oh, and that GTR is absolutely epic. So yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know down below what you think I should do next with these major tune-ups, and your thoughts on the cars below. Until next time, the best of luck in your peg hunts as always, and I shall see you again. But I don't know when. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Focus. Or maybe... Oh! Fold it up.